Guys, ayan. Nandito kami sa museum. Oh, wow.
So then something's supposed to be there on this side.
Yeah, over here, this is the vintage BC12. Yeah, look at that. Oh. Wow. Ayan yung kanilang mga... Oh, Douglas George. Look at that.
Yeah, yeah. I know there is one.
Douglas.
I knew there was one in here.
Yeah. Ayan, Douglas 1924.
What is it?
Wow.
24.
Yeah.
348. See, the pistons used to be that way first.
Yeah.
24. It was in 1920 approximately.
Yeah.
They took one of these to Germany and then made the BMW.
Royal Enfield here.
It might be more. Royal Enfield. What year is that?
Yeah, that's 1937 Royal Enfield.
Wow.
Oh my.
Wow, they're big.
Wow. 1947, 1929, BSA 500. Oh my goodness, so pretty.
You glad you came in?
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
Germany surrender. Ayan. BSA 1925.
1925.
Yeah.
USA.
Wow.
That's a nice note.
Yeah.
58 note.
Are you? Oh, there's some 1936, 1958 BSA Honda. Triumph babe. 1944.
Yeah. See this big kid?
What is that? This
When I was
one?
a kid,
Triumph.
actually, I think before I had a bike, a friend of mine had a bike like this.
Yeah.
The Speed Twin, I think it was a 500, and this is a 30.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's 500.
Wow.
This is the bike that I was racing
Like
when I crashed.
when you're
Really
young?
bad, yeah, and rode off my Douglas.
Okay.
Rode it off, it was completely bent everywhere.
Andito kami
Like
sa
I was
mga...
riding this. I used to work beside him.
Yeah. Andito kami sa mga vintage bike. Ayan. Oh my goodness, what is that? Turbo Chopper Kawasaki 1975. Look at this one.
Just to say,
Ducati
4-cylinder.
1966. Oh, Harley Davidson. Suzuki, ayan. Ang ganda talaga ng mga motor, guys. Ayan. 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 Wow. Oh, this part is Harley. Oh, yes. Oh, this is the nice one, George, BMW with sidecar. Ayan. Wow. Ayan. BMW. Ka-nice. Sa mga ayan. '82 Maiko. Oh, wow, ang ganda. RG 500. Oh, love it. Excuse. Excuse. Wow. So, ayan guys, ang kaganda talaga. Ang kaganda ng mga... Ayan. Ayan guys, ang kaganda talaga. Wow. At least to dream.